All right, let's get something straight. Customers don't buy cars because they like the specs. They buy because of what those specs actually do for them. That's where the value propositions come in. If you're just listing off features, rattling off all these stuff, all these facts, you're making them do the work. But when you turn those features into personalized value statements, you're making it easy for them to say yes. So, you know me, I like to keep it simple, all right? So here's a simple definition. A value proposition is just a clear statement that explains why a product is the best solution for a specific customer's problems. It answers three big questions. One, what does this product do? Two, why does it matter? And three, how does it make the customer's life better? Let's put this into action. Think about how the last time you convinced a customer to buy because of how a car met their needs, right? Especially if it's specific needs, not just because of the price or the features. Think about it. Maybe drop me a comment or message me. All right, now let's break it down. Here's the formula. Simple formula again. Here's the formula I use to build strong value propositions. Feature, what does the car have? Benefit, what does the feature do? And customer impact, why should the customer care? Let's run through a few examples here. Maybe make sure that we're all on the same page. All right, example one is the family buyer. Feature that they're looking for, rear seat entertainment system. What's the benefit? Keeps kids entertained on long trips. Customer impact, you'll have a peaceful road trip with your kids still entertained in the backseat. Example two, the business professional. Feature, wireless CarPlay or Android Auto. I'm an Apple fanboy though, so Apple CarPlay. Benefit, hands-free calling and those seamless phone integration. And the customer impact on it, you can take calls and access your apps without distractions, keeping you efficient and on the go. Example three, we're going back to the favorite, the weekend adventure. All right, feature, all-wheel drive and terrain modes. The benefit to them is going to be better control on rough terrain. And the customer impact from that one, you can take it on your adventure without actually worried about getting stuck or losing control. You see the difference? Man, we're not just selling features, we're actually selling some outcomes. So grab a pen and create three value propositions for a car you sell. Write them down, because I may ask for those. Let's talk about what separates an average value proposition from a great one. Here's three things that make a value proposition compelling. One, it's customer focus. All right, great value proposition is about the customer, not the car. Remember, we're trying to build relationships and have conversations. Instead of saying this SUV has all-wheel drive, this SUV keeps you safe in any weather. Two, it's clear and concise. You've got seconds to grab their attention. Man, if you don't explain the benefit in one sentence, too complicated. Keep it simple, baby. It taps into emotion. All right, number three. People make those decisions based on emotion first. Then they justify with the logic. A strong value proposition, this should make them feel something. Security, excitement, convenience, pride. It's emotions. Think about it for a second here. What's the best value proposition you've ever used? Or what's one you're excited to try? All right, here's your homework. Choose a car you sell often and come up with a strong value proposition for it using our formula. Then I want you to test it out on a customer this week to see how they actually react. Do they engage more? Do they light up when you tie a feature back to their needs? I guarantee they do. All right, trust the process. Remember, customers don't buy cars, they buy solutions to their problems. You're a solutionary. When you master this art of value proposition, you're no longer just selling, you're guiding them in the right direction, right? And if this video helped you, which I hope it did, I want you to smash that like button. And you already but subscribe so that way I can keep dropping you some weekly sales tips. And don't forget, Share your best value proposition in the comments or message me directly. I want to see what you come up with. Until next time, stay sharp, stay customer focused, and keep closing those deals. And as always, win the day.